guys, and welcome to a brand new video. This is a tutorial video about OBS Streamlabs separating audio between your Twitch Vods and your Twitch streams. To start off with, let's head over down here to settings. So now we are here, we go to output. Normally, output mode up here would say simple. I am recording, which means I cannot change it, but I've already changed it to advanced. You go down to streaming and you see audio track is 1. But you turn on Twitch VOD, you can set your Twitch VOD track to 2. This is important because now you can't really see it, but you can there are 2 gears. You can either put the gears next to your audio, which you can go to properties, or you click the actual gear above audios, which sends you to this area. This is your audio area. And as you can see, this is Streamlabs and recording tracks. Here, you have track 1, track 2. Same thing for here. So, like, if I had my desktop audio on, then that means on stream, they can hear it. But once I finish stream and make it into a VOD, they can no longer hear desktop audio. But for a microphone, they can still hear it. That way, I could be able to play music or anything that might be considered copyrighted. I can make it where it won't appear in VOD or on my videos. You have recording. You can have it where only records audio track 1. So, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you want to see more, put down in the comments what things about OBS Streamlabs you want to know about, and I can try to help you guys. See you guys next time. Bye!